Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Plus for March. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Ipsy Plus for March just arrived, and you know Ipsy's been kind of putting a sour taste in my mouth lately by the things that are in there, and I don't recall being too impressed with this month, so just forewarning you. But hopefully it's better now that it's going to be in my hand and I can actually see the products in person. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what March has to offer. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Ooh, there's a Morphe palette? What? Is that, what did I choose? I don't even remember what I chose, but I'll find out soon. So here is a card. Is there going to be pricing in this card? Yes, there is pricing in this card for once, because my last few have not had pricing in them, and that was really annoying. So I'm so glad that they are in here. This must have been an add-on. Yes, because it's not supposed to be in here. How many products do I have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So this must have been my add-on. So if you guys want to know what is in here, I'll show you after. This wasn't a part of my box. So I'll just set that aside for right now. So let's just go ahead and dive in and see what is inside of my normal monthly box. So the first thing right on top says Coconut, the Scrub, Organic Feels, Los Angeles. And this says recommended use 1 to 2 scrubs per week. Turn the shower on and dampen your skin. Use about 2 small handfuls of the scrub to cover your body. With circular motions, massage the scrub on your skin, concentrating on problem areas. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off and feel the difference. Sexy skin is just a scrub away. So there's that. This right here is actually valued at $21.99. And it's not even halfway full. I can grab coffee and scrub away with a big ass can for less than that. What in the world? $21.99 for a thing of coffee scrub. So there's that. Turns out coffee isn't just for your morning zing. It is also packed with antioxidants, which are great at repairing and protecting your skin too. This coffee infused scrub buffs, moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E, so your skin will feel smooth, not stripped. I don't want my skin to feel stripped. So there's item number 1. I think the price is way off, but that's just me. Second item here is Pick Perf. This is what I chose. They had, I think, 2 different ones, and this is the one that I chose. It says Auto Balm. It looks like it's supposed to be like a license plate. Very cute packaging. Shadows on the go. The Balm. How do I open this? These nails have become a nuisance. There we go. Why is there a little pull tab? Oh, you can pull the whole, why would you want to pull the whole thing out? I don't know, there's a little pull tab that you can pull the whole bad boy out. I'm not sure why you would want to if it's supposed to be in here, but okay. The top is cute. This kind of looks like a review mirror, like as if you're looking out of your car. That is very cute packaging, you guys. And then here are the colors. Now I'm afraid that it's just gonna fall out. Like, I'm gonna show you, it's gonna boom. That would be my luck. That would totally, let me stick my finger there first. I'll stick my nail there. So this is valued at $26.50. It says scoring the perfect smoky eye just got so much easier. Start with the natural primer. It'll make whatever color you layer on top pop. Last for hours and go on smooth. Then mix and match the mattes and shimmer jewel tone shades to create an endless eye look. Once you've used the shadows, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it to keep little accessories like hair ties, bobby pins, neat and organized. So that's why it's designed to come out. It's just, I mean, that's so easy, especially with this little pull tab. So if you do get it, just be careful that you don't flop it out, because then you might have a mess. But this is actually really pretty. They're small little pans, but I can see me using this at least to create a look. So here's a natural primer. Okay, and that is very moist. So let me go ahead and just see a few of these colors for you guys. I mean, I don't know how smoky they're intending you to be because this is very light colors. Like, let me try to go in one more time here. Yeah, to me, to make a smoky eye, like they're trying to say, I would need at least one darker color. And that is all the darker colors. The only ones I did not swatch is this St. Charles and then this white one. But all the others is what I swatched. So there's that. And again, $26.50 for that second item. So now we have as a Luna liner, water resistant liquid eyeliner. And of course, I don't use liquid eyeliner. So this will go set aside for one of you guys. So here's the packaging. It is also sealed as well. So this guy right here says Stephanie Botanicals. Is that what this is? Yes. Stephanie Botanicals Luna Line Water Resistant Eyeliner in black, valued at $18. Cat eye goals coming right up. I can't do a cat eye to save my life. Not tested on animals, vegan, GMO free, gluten free. And yeah, so there's all some really nice things about the product. So this liner is a micro tip that dispenses the perfect amount of jet black pigment so that you can get the perfect flick every single time. The perfect flick every single time. So there's that. So then now we have is Melon Gel's Revitalizing Eye Gel. It's like on both sides. So there's that. This says, your delicate eye area is the first to show signs. Here's that. The first to show signs of aging. So give it love with this multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark spots. And it has that type of a top to it. And I stuck it right there. So it is definitely just a gel. It says that it's a lightweight. There's like a light, kind of like a very, very light, clean scent to it. If you can even pick up anything at all. It smells kind of nice. It smells very, very light is what I'm picking up anyway. Because I know it's not the eyeshadow. So there's that. And this guy is valued at $42. So $42 for this right here. Now we have is by Yenza Super 8 Lip Oil. This right here is valued at $24. Let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packed with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with antioxidants, nourishment, and moisture they need to feel soft and healthy. And that's what it looks like. Very hot neon pink on my end. And it's supposed to leave a lightly tinted look, which is very lightly tinted. It's right there. So you can see just a little tiny bit of like a pink on it, but not much. So very, very lightly tinted for sure. But it's a lip oil. It feels really good. It feels really nice on my lips. And that's again valued at $24. So then the last item in here is this Brow Butter Pomade Kit and $1 Billion Brows in Taupe. And I think I might already have this. If I do, I'll set this aside for one of you guys, but I think I already have this. So it comes with the little tiny spoolie with the brow brush on the end. And then here is the actual balm. And again, this one is in taupe. So it's going to be a darker brown, which is right there. And then the bag for this month is on the very bottom. I can't compare this to my Ipsy Plus because I'm still missing one of my Ipsy Pluses. I have one sitting here, but I haven't opened it because I'm waiting for her sister to come so I can open them together. But here is this month's bag. I think those colors are really cute together, but then when you open it up, you have this dark green. That throws me off. But if it was just this dark green and this color, I think that would look really pretty. But so the whole outside is like a mauve-ish color. And then the front is a teal green. It says Unstoppable. Weird combination of colors, but very bright, very vibrant, And I think it's cute how it's like the little letter style and it doesn't have like the zipper or anything. But so there's that. So in this plus box, we have the bag, which is okay. We have a lip oil, which feels really nice. We have a brow product that I probably won't use, but I'm sure it's a good product. We have an eye gel, which I'm excited to try out. We have an eyeliner that will go to one of you guys because I don't use the liquid eyeliner. We have this palette, which I'm a little disappointed in how light the colors look, but I will try it at some point and see what it looks like, but it's definitely cute packaging. I'd give them that. Worst case scenario, I'll take the thing out and use it to store something. I don't know. And then what I feel is an overpriced coffee body scrub. And I will go ahead and add up my entire total and I will put it right here for you guys. This will be the total retail value for my entire box. Ipsy Plus is $25 per month with free shipping. So I normally don't complain about them, but I just feel that they're definitely not going off of the profile anymore because every single box I'm always getting things that I say I do not use. And like I'm saying every box. So one or two I can understand, but every single box, come on. So if you wanted to see what was inside this again, I got with my points. And this is an 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer highlighter palette, 8 shades for a glam glow. I do have a highlighter palette by Morphe that I got from Georgia Sunshine when we did a collab. And this one is actually a sculpting highlighting palette. I did get this so I can put in a future giveaway because I know I'm not going to use this whole side anyway because I don't bronze or contour. So there is that. But it says Palette Illuminator Contouring. Contour palette. So that's what I got because again, I had points. So I got that so I can pass that down to one of you guys. And that is everything about this box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, do you get Ipsy? Do you get Ipsy Plus? Are we box twins? Do we have anything that is the same? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out. Stay safe, strong, and healthy.